Information Systems Strategy Management and Acquisition. Operations Management Foundations. Operations management is the business function responsible for managing the process of creation of goods and services. It involves planning, organization, coordinating, and controlling all the resources needed to produce a company's goods and services. Management is a delivery focused area in business which ensures that an organization successfully turns inputs to outputs in an efficient manner. The inputs themselves could represent anything from materials, equipment, and technology to human resources such as staff or workers. For example, a train manufacturer that manages the flow of materials and parts to its factories and the delivery of finished trains to customers. Strategic planning fundamentals. Strategic planning is crucial for a business as it creates a map for a business to follow and course correct when need be. The first part of a strategic plan is the business plan, which outlines the purpose of the business, budgets, goals, and mission statement. The key to identifying the most important elements of a strategic plan is to choose goals and objectives that expand your potential without straining your resources or creating too much risk. One of the most commonly available examples of strategic planning, a corporate strategy is designed to increase revenue and brand reputation, from new products and quality enhancements to aggressive marketing and sales techniques. There are many ways to tap into growth opportunities. The fundamentals of document retention and data management. A data retention policy defines why and how you store data, for how long, and then how you dispose of it. Data retention policies play a pivotal role in data management, enabling regularity, regulatory compliance, legal defenses, and disaster recovery. They can also help keep mission critical data and employees' fingertips. Good records management method and the provision of records retention schedules in an organization is very important because it can maximize operational cost savings and the availability of space within an organization. Managing records are crucial because records are created daily, especially in large organizations. Example, include documents, books, paper, electronic records, photographs, videos, sound recordings, databases, and other data compilations that are used for multiple purposes or other material regardless of physical form or characteristics. Foundation of programming. Learning computer programming ensures that students have access to the creative, fast-paced world that relies on machine connections. Students can apply these skills to so many different industries and disciplines. Students that want a creative job can delve into 3D animation, web design, or even branding. Programming helps in speeding up the input and output processes in a machine. It is important to automate, collect, manage, calculate, and analyze the processing of data and information accurately. Programming helps create software and application that help computer and mobile user in daily life. Implementing data warehouse with Microsoft SQL Server 2012. Data warehousing improves the speed and efficiency of accessing different datasets and makes it easier for corporate decision makers to derive insights that will guide the business and marketing strategies that set them apart from their competitors. SQL data warehouse stores data in relational tables using columnar storage, which reduces the data storage cost and improves query performance. SQL data warehouse leverage a scale-out architect to distribute computational processing of data across multiple nodes. Data warehousing integrates data informations collected from various sources into one comprehensive database. For example, a data warehouse might combine customer information from an organization's point of scale, points of sale systems, its mailing list, website, and comment cards. Techniques and concepts of big data. Put simply, big data is larger, more complex data sets, especially from new data sources. These data sets are so voluminous that traditional data processing software just can't manage them. But these massive volumes of data can be used to address business problems you wouldn't have been able to tackle before. The five V's of data are velocity, volume, value, variety, and veracity are the five main and innate characteristics of big data. Knowing the five V's allows data scientists to derive more value from their data while also allowing the scientist organization to become more customer centric. Big data comes from myriad sources. Some examples are transaction processing systems, customer databases, documents, emails, medical records, internet clickstream, logs, mobile apps, and social network. Microsoft Business Intelligence Stack Fundamentals. The entire purpose of business intelligence is to support and facilitate better business decisions. BL allows organizations access to information that is critical to the success of multiple areas, including sales, finance, marketing, and multitude of other areas and departments. By providing an accurate picture of the business at a specific point in time, BI provides an organization with the means to design a business strategy based on factual data. Business intelligence helps organizations become data driven enterprises, improve performance, and gain competitive advantage. Business intelligence refers to the procedural and technical infrastructure that collects, stores, and analyzes the data produced by a company's activities. BI is a broad term that encompasses data mining, process analysis, performance benchmarking, and descriptive analytics. Wayne Wiston on analytics improve operational efficiency through their daily activities, assist businesses to understand their customers more precisely. Business uses data visualization to offer projections for future outcomes. These insights help in decision making and planning for the future. Data analytics is important because it helps businesses optimize their performance. Implementing it into the business model means companies can help reduce costs by identifying more efficient ways of doing business and by storing large amounts of data. A simple example of data analysis is whenever we take any decision in our day-to-day life is by thinking about what happened last time or what will happen by choosing that particular decision. This is not bad analyzing our past or future and making decisions based on it. Foundations of business analytics, prescriptive analytics. It efficiently graph, grapples with complex situations, constraints, and numerous variables to reach the optimal course of action. Due to its operational efficiency, companies use prescriptive analytics to conduct analysis, generate proprietary algorithms, and streamline several other business processes. Once you predict a set of potential outcomes, prescriptive analytics help control those outcomes which are beneficial to your business in the long run. It helps you understand how and which variables can be choreographed, choreographed to achieve the desired result. Email automation is a clear-cut example of prescriptive analytics at work. Marketers use email automation to sort leads into categories based on their motivations, mindsets, and intentions and deliver email content to them based on those categories. Computer security and internet safety fundamentals. Computer security is important because it keeps your information protected. It's also important for your computer's overall health. Proper computer security helps prevent viruses and malware, which allows programs to run quicker and smoother. Computer security is important because it keeps your information protected. It's also important for your computer's overall health. Some examples of application security tools are antivirus, software, firewalls, web application firewalls, encryptions, network troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is more effective than trying things at random until the network functions because it allows you to target individual network components. Testing each for function and encourages you to document your process. Preventive maintenance helps to prevent failure of parts, materials, and systems by ensuring that they are in good working order. Troubleshooting is a systematic approach to locating the cause of fault in a computer system. A good preventive maintenance program helps minimize failures. Here are 9 of the most common network issues to troubleshoot. Slow network. Users complain the network is too slow. Weak Wi-Fi signal. Physical connectivity issues. Excessive CPU usage. Slow DNS lookups. Duplicate and static IP addresses. Exhausted IP addresses. Can't connect to printer. VLAN and VPN problems. Up and running with wireless networking. Wireless computer networks don't require any cables or wires, so employees can communicate even when they are moving. It also allows them to roam around without disconnections. Thus, there is an improvement in work productivity. Determining the correct number of required access points and their proper positioning to provide proper coverage is probably the most critical step that determines the success of a network. Examples of wireless networks include cell phone networks, wireless local area networks, wireless sensor networks, satellite communication networks, and terrestrial microwave networks. A wired network is one where the devices in the network are connected using cables. Most wired networks are with Ethernet networks. Wireless networks use radio waves to connect devices. There are a range of wireless technologies, but the most common are Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Supply chain management fundamentals. Supply chain management is important because it can help achieve several business objectives. For instance, controlling manufacturing processes can improve product quality, reducing the risk of recalls and lawsuits while helping to build a strong consumer brand. Modern supply chains help improve living standards by enabling consumers to buy essential products at lower cost. This is because an effective supply chain streamlines the process of getting products to market and ultimately to consumers. Supply chain management is the practice of coordinating the various activities necessary to produce and deliver goods and services to a customers. Example of supply chain activities can include designing, farming, manufacturing, packaging, and transporting. Thank you.